Welcome to Long Arm Wednesday. I'm Laura Lynn of the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop, and we're very happy to see you here today. You are our favorite fans on the internet because you're here and you're watching. That's what we love about you. So what we're working on here today is the Cardinal Quilt that we did via live streams on Saturdays for a few hours. We put it together. It was a beautiful kit donated to the shop via Jo Marie, and we had a lot of fun putting it together. So I've done a holly stitch out in the border there, and I have some GoPro footage of what I was stitching out in these sections right here, so you'll get to see that too, but I just forgot to hit that button when I hit this button, so you know, it's a little mixed up, so you'll get to see it. And then we have a little extra footage of the holly and how it got stitched out here on the border, so please stay tuned for that, okay? So thank you very much for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate it, and you can watch me fill in this little holly and the pine cone and the cardinal, and that's how I'm just stitching this beautiful project out. I needed a little custom, not an edge to edge in this section. I didn't think it really called for it, and I've got some beautiful birch trees that are going to stitch up in the top here and in the bottom where the cardinals are. So I have holly on the sides, birch at the top and the bottom, and custom right in the center. So thank you very much, everybody, for watching, liking, and subscribing. We greatly appreciate it here at the Mom and Pop Quilt Shop. If you would like to follow along with our next adventure come Saturday at 1 p.m. Eastern, we're doing a scrappy adventure this whole year. It's the start of it, and there is a free pattern that we are more than willing to share with you via www.wesewit.com, and you can sign up there. You don't have to pay, but if you do, you get a chance to win a quilt that we work on via another video for our paid members. So thank you. We greatly appreciate it. Every little bit counts, and we will see you very soon. Hope you're having a fantastic new year, okay? Take care, everybody. Big hugs. See ya. So I'm just quilting it up now. I have a lovely holly stitch out. You can probably see a little bit there on the little camera. Maybe I'm not sure if Munchkin can get in on that, but it's a holly stitch out there on the sides here where the cardinals are. But I didn't think a whole edge to edge would be appropriate for the inside. So I'm going to just do a little tracing of the holly and the berries and the filigree here and a little bit of the birds of the cardinals itself. So I have some beautiful gold kind of thread, and I'm just gonna like start down here somewhere next the holly next to the berries. Lock some stitches, because normally Walt does all the locking, but you know, when it comes to us, and it's off the belts, it's free motion, okay? And I'm just going to try and follow the holly and just kind of detail a little bit out, and maybe trying to play around with the pine cone and stuff. It's going to take time, but it'll look lovely when it's done. I just couldn't see really an edge to edge all in this beautiful project here. Follow it out. It doesn't have to be right on the line. You're just emphasizing the beautiful color of the pattern that's already there. Okay. Just be free with it. Don't try to think too much about it. Like, oh, not all the berries got circled. Well, that's okay. They don't all need to have a circle around them, right? Just want to have some fun. And if you don't think too hard about it, it just becomes free and fun and enjoyable, and you're just having a good time with your thread and your machine, whether it's free motion on your own little domestic, or you know, you got a long arm or a mid arm. Just have some fun. That's what it's all about. Move the threads off to the side. I'm trying to do some highlights of the pine cone here. And of course, I want the junior pine trees to be standing out, so I'm going to try and highlight those. A little emphasis on them. Around cone tops as they split the seeds. Okay. You can always come back in and do more detail if you wanted. I mean, it's your project, right? But just have fun. That is really the main point of the whole life. Enjoy it. Try new things. Explore new avenues. So you come back here and get that one there, and then come back here and highlight there. And don't forget this one because it kind of got messed. So I can come back again this side. There, and back. Highlight this one. Okay. I'm just going to follow that up just a smidge, kind of like pretend it was in there. Back this way, and some berries. Can't wait to get all these beautiful, big, lovely projects that we have given away to our fans of our channel. As soon as I get them all done and ready to work out in the mail, that's for sure. So I'll let everybody know what their tracking package is. Okay, so that's kind of just what we're working on. Isn't that beautiful? It doesn't need too much. It just needs enough to stitch it down. This whole space in here was kind of like, oh well, what do I do in here? It's got some lovely text. I still haven't quite decided yet. I might try and follow this, or I may just leave it because I'm sure it'll be just fine as long as I maybe do some lines down here. So, and then it's just like continue on. Just work on the bird here. Beautiful, lovely red cardinal. Try and follow it the best you can, or your interpretation. I mean, if you want to come and echo it more further than just kind of snugging into what I'm doing, I mean, that's up to you. Okay. And in no time at all, you've got your whole project stitched out. You just remember where you got to go and how you got to get back to where you were. Okay. I'm going to continue working on this. There's some footage of the that was Mr. Clive running around in the background. They're crazy. Of what I did on the border with the holly. So please check it out.